Welcome to your cozy cabin escape on a rainy day. Outside, the rain falls gently through the forest, while inside, a warm and peaceful atmosphere surrounds you. Watch the calming aquarium, where soft light and slow-moving fish create a soothing rhythm that helps your mind relax. This 24/7 live stream is perfect for studying, sleeping, or simply unwinding after a long day. You can also display it in cafes, restaurants, bars, or any business to create a warm, relaxing environment your guests will love. Let the rain, the soft glow, and the quiet movement of fish bring you peace anytime, anywhere. Click the link and step inside your cozy escape. It's always waiting for you.